Alright guys, Duri here, and I'm back with another white noise video. We got waiting for me to say what's up.
What's up?
And he's also gonna be doing this on his channel too, so if you guys want to check that out in the description. And yeah, go look at his YouTube video and scroll all the way down to his first video and then comment on it, just to let y'all know. Alright, anyways.
No, please don't.
And, yeah, we're gonna get started. We're gonna be playing Nightmare Bunker 50. Oh, and I'm kind of scared because like my lights are off and it's kind of scary.
Yeah,
but
my lights are off too.
The only thing I have better than you is I have longer flashlight. But you can run longer.
Just to let you guys know, this is my first time ever playing this game, so I don't even know what to
You
expect.
can't change your sensitivity.
What the fuck do I do?
Actually, just watch this.
How do I pick up a tape?
When you see a tape,
No, but like, how do you pick it up?
press N. Press LT to.
What the fuck is
Oh,
that?
don't look at it. Don't look at it. Follow me.
That's not him though, right? Fucker.
Follow me,
Yo, what the
follow me.
fuck was that? Did you hear that? Fuck that, dude. Yeah. Yo, if we see him, do we run? Yo, I just got the chills. Yeah. That's what the tape sounds like if you're like close to it. Yeah, I'm stuck on something. What the fuck? Alright. No, I'm looking. I don't even know what it looks like.
Oh god!
Shit, I got one. Where? Are those like zombies or something? Oh shit!
Turn around, follow me. Follow me.
Dude,
He's not
in front of you.
He's just like teleported.
Yeah, that's fucking creepy. I just had a mini heart attack. What the fuck?
Go.
Stop.
Oh god.
What? It's it. Are you lying?
No, I'm
I wasn't, you butt fucker. Is this a dead end? Wait, why are we going this way? Dude, the sound's getting louder.
We're back where we were.
No,
Here's the
dude.
camera. Take a left.
Oh shit! Yeah. Is he gone?
Go check.
Yes. Yo.
Oh, dude, this is scary. Because we have to split
Give
up.
us flashlight. What?
I'm kidding. Ah! Oh my god! Don't look to your right.
Oh shit.
Oh, dude! Don't look to your right.
Does that mean the tape's in there? Yeah, it's right here. Oh, don't look to your left. This is like the sketchiest game I've played in my life. I haven't like played any like scary games. Okay.
So cheesy when
that room?
Yeah, let's go. We can pick up the next stage.
How many people can you play at a time with? Yeah, I know, I heard him, dude. Yo, this room is so fucked up. He's gonna be around one of the turns. I don't like this shit. Okay.
He's in that doorway. Go into the door. Go to the door.
Which door? This one? Alright. Wait, hold on. What the fuck was that?
Oh, dude, this is
Okay.
He's always over here. You're straight there. Come over here.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Fuck.
This stuff gets crazy though. Like, dude, this stuff's crazy. Don't follow me. No, I'm screwed. Watch out, Marco. I'm stuck.
Yo, your legs are like spazzing.
I'm stuck.
Are you stuck?
Oh my god!
Ow!
I'm still stuck.
Yo, are you spectating me?
No, wait, wait, where are you?
I don't know, dude.
Oh, I see you. Dude, I was still stuck there for a second.
Oh, fuck me, dude.
Wait, no, turn around.
Fucking. No, dude, he's back there.
Dude, I can't see him. Trust me, he's not back here.
Yo, he's fucking right there.
Wait, stop. Just stand still.
I'm not fucking turning
I'm
around.
right behind you.
Oh, shit.
You're following me.
Teach me where to go.
But I can't see him. Just like,
You're a bitch.
it's like terrible.
Okay, well, fucking bring me somewhere.
You
Oh my god, okay. Alright, I'm gonna go this way.
No, don't run, because then I can't run. Take a look. He's behind you, dude.
Where? No, I'm fucking looking at you.
Go across.
Yo, look at your body, it's fun as fuck. What? Ah! Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god. Fuck. What? That's fucking scary, dude. It like jumped up in my face. Did you know that would happen?
What? Well, I got a girl with beats though. That's sick.
Did you know that would happen to me?
Nope.
No. Damn. Fucking scary. Alright guys, we're going on the second game here, so let's go. What map is this? Alright. Bye.
She looked down at the house.
I found one.
This place was completely different by day.
Look straight up.
Similar, but also kind of wrong.
Are you following me or what we doing?
Following you.
Why do I have to be first? Oh shit! Don't look to your left. Are you behind me? You're always behind us. You know, don't look to your right, yeah. The fuck is that?
Oh, it's no worries.
Dude, that looks like a freaking dick coming out of his mouth. Okay. Dude, you can't fucking look anywhere, dude.
Oh, dude, you can't. Oh, dude, you can't again. You can't go in there. No.
Fucking run, dude.
Follow me.
Dude, I don't know where the fuck you are. I don't want to turn around. Where'd you go?
Behind you, look!
Yo!
Follow me. Follow me or else I'm gonna die!
No, dude, he's back there. Yo, hurry the fuck up, dude. I'm gonna die. Are you behind me? Yo. This shit is scary. You guys are probably thinking I'm a fucking pussy, but this is fucking sketchy. Dude, go the fuck away!
Oh my god! Holy crap! That was so scary.
Dude, he's getting mad. I feel like he hears me.
Get away, bro!
Yo, here a tape. Yo, it's right
oh, wait,
here.
let me get it.
Yeah, you got it. Go there. No, he's gone. I'm following you, dude.
Alright.
Fuck this. I don't like being in front. How the fuck are you walking so fast? Damn, he's on the left. Yo, you're so fucking far. Okay, yo. Yeah, dude, I'm trying. Shut up, dude. You didn't even look. Ah! Dude! Yo, if I had face cam, dude. Are you white?
Oh!
Yeah, I see you, dude. You see me?
Yes. Oh, dude. Oh, Dave.
I miss her so much. I wish she could still be happy.
Yo, am I, like, out for the game? Alright. do 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 do. I love how I can see everything. Yo, it looks like you're moonwalking in a circle. Now you're just jamming, dude.
Alright guys, well, pretty much just died on purpose, both of them. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed